Welcome to Nurseries in Virginia. Early spring now, after coming through a really tough winter. And these are two ornamental grasses that look fantastic right through the year. For 12 months of the year, they won't let you down. I love Carex Everillo. Really bright golden grass. Grows roughly about thereabouts 50 centimeters high and spreads around the same. You can grow it in a pot or container or out in open ground. Might need a little bit of trim, some of the older leaves around the edge, but lovely fresh growth coming in the centre. And then this lovely variety as well, a lower one, and this is Evergold, which is just a lower clump grass. Only grows around 30 centimeters high and spreads around 45 centimeters across. Totally winter hardy, both of them. Doesn't matter how hard the winter comes, they will be with you looking good 12 months of the year. Nice edging a bed or in groups in a bed, maybe 5 or 6 together to make a decent splash. But really bright, and if it's spring sunshine today, they're really bright, and particularly that Carex Everillo. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.